County. Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following county: Glen, California. The National Weather Service in Sacramento issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Glen County in central California until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fruto, or 8 miles northwest of Willows, moving east at 10 miles per hour. The storm will move to near Interstate 5 over the next hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Funnel clouds. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Portland, Willows, Artois, and Bloom. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Significant hail accumulation is likely with this storm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Glen, California. You are listening to